supercharging your offers with click optimization secrets through Everflow. My name is Maier. This is Genny Finck, and let's jump right in for today. So before we really dig into the nitty gritty, I want to just give a brief introduction into what we're going to be talking about today. First off, you're going to get an intro to Genny and myself. I'll then go into a brief introduction onto how click optimization will improve your return on investment on your offers. We're going to talk about some of those optimization methods that Everflow does offer and how our clients use them with some use cases. We're going to talk about Everflow Pay, which we came out with last year that our clients have had some fantastic success with. We're going to talk about some announcements for upcoming events. And then finally, we're going to do a question and answer at the end. Now, like I talked about previously, if you do have a question, just post in that chat on the right. We'll most likely save your question for the end, but if it happens to be super relevant, we might just answer it in the moment. But anyway, let's jump right in. First, with that introduction, I'm going to pass it over to Genny to introduce herself.
Hi, guys. As I think most of you probably know, my name is Genny Finck. I'm the VP of Customer Success. I've been at Everflow for 5 years now. I just got my anniversary a couple months ago. I'm based in San Francisco, and some fun facts about me is I started working at Everflow while living in Amsterdam and helped build that team up, Go Euro team. And my name is Genny with a G because my full name is Genevieve. My mom was going through a French thing. That's the only explanation I have. It's not a family name. All right, back to you, Isaac.
Yeah, perfect. So, hi, my name's Maier. I'm a customer success manager with Everflow. I've been in the affiliate marketing industry for over 5 years now, and I too am based out of San Francisco, California. A little fun fact about me, 2 years ago in my affiliate career, I purchased a music-based affiliate website, super into music guitar, and I saw that my clients were having a lot of success with their affiliate links as affiliates and decided to get on that myself, and it's been super rewarding. Fun fact too, I'm an avid rock climber and do a lot of rock climbing out here in the Presidio in San Francisco. So now let's dig into supercharging your offers with these click optimization secrets with Everflow. But for a brief introduction, why is this important? What does it do? How does offer click optimization improve your return on investment? The main thing that we're talking about here today is how you can take advantage of traffic outside of your intended audience. Now, let's say you've been building traffic in the US, your company is based out of the US, but you're starting to see clicks on your links from Europe, maybe Asia. Perhaps you haven't prepared for those, and currently the people who are clicking your links from those countries are landing on blank pages or aren't having a positive experience. That's return on investment that you're missing out on. By taking advantage of these click optimization secrets, you're going to be maximizing your potential for revenue and not missing out on that traffic. You're also going to be analyzing the true potential of those traffic sources that you didn't plan on receiving necessarily. And ultimately, this is going to lead to more targeted and effective marketing strategies. Please note that as we go through this, that none of these supercharging settings are going to work for direct linking, because in direct linking, the click is passed into Everflow after the user lands on the base destination URL. So first off, we're going to check out forwarding rules, which our friend Morton here in the yellow suit uses. So Morton uses forwarding rules to direct his consumers to specific destinations based on predefined criteria. Now that might be geo, we're talking country, language, operating system. Morton knows that by taking his customers to the right destination for their specific circumstance, he's going to have much better results. Obviously, if I can only speak Spanish, I'm probably not going to want to see an English page. This leads to improved conversion rates and better performance tracking. It also ensures that Morton's tracking managing his traffic effectively. And once again, it's ensuring that he takes his customers to relevant and high converting destinations. So let's actually take a look at how Morton does this. And we're going to take a look at the Everflow dashboard. So you can see here, we're on the Everflow dashboard and we're looking at Morton's holiday redirect. So essentially what happened is Morton's suit business has been blowing up. He's a huge leader in the industry, and he posted a special suit deal for the holidays, maybe Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa themed suit. But essentially, now it's 2024, we're in January, and people are still clicking that link, but they're being taken to a blank page. Because that, Morton set up his holiday redirect to ensure that anyone who clicks on that link, even if it's in an old email, is sent to a new offer. In this case, the base landing page for his website. That way, no one's going to a blank page and he's still taking advantage of this traffic, even though he may not have intended them to be clicking all the way in January. So as you can see here, we set up a new offer as the destination, but really with forwarding rules, you can set up any destination you like, whether it's an offer group, smart link, or destination URL. You can also set custom targeting, once again, sending people to specific destinations, whether it's for their browser, device, brand, country. We let you get as granular as you like. You can also set forwarding rules based on variables. Now let's talk about failed traffic. So in certain cases, your customers will click on a link and they'll go to a destination that isn't your offer's destination URL, a blank page in this case. Now this can happen for multiple different reasons. Perhaps your offer has gone over a cap. Perhaps the partner that was sending the traffic wasn't approved by for the offer. Perhaps there's a blocked IP range, or there's blocked traffic. Essentially, invalid clicks are clicks that don't go to the correct destination. They lead to a blank page, which is not a very good customer experience, of course. By using failed traffic, you can redirect your invalid clicks to a specific destination that, like I said, would otherwise lead to a blank page. This way, you're ensuring there's no wasted traffic. You're ensuring a positive user experience for the customers that click on your links. You're maximizing the potential for your traffic so that there's, once again, nothing wasted. And finally, you can look at a redirect report for where all of your failed traffic is directed and where it's coming from to ensure that you're taking advantage of that failed traffic going forward. So let's check it, how Morton is using failed traffic. And we're going to go back to his offer here. And sorry, one moment. Okay. We're back at his offer. And we're going to check out failed traffic. So in this case, we're going to be talking about pass-through as one of the special secrets. Morton has been selling his suits primarily in the United States. However, he started to receive some traffic in the UK. Now, currently, it's too expensive to ship out to the UK, and he's unable to justify building an affiliate program in the UK and paying his partners for traffic that they refer in the UK. However, in the future, he'd love to do this. For now, what he can do is set up a pass-through. So his customers in the UK are still sent to the offer. However, there isn't compensation to a partner for that, but he can do that in the future. However, he sets up via the priority list through his redirect mechanism a second offer after the pass-through. So if someone isn't landing on failed traffic because of geo-targeting, and perhaps it's just because of a cap, they're still landing on a different offer, and the partner is still receiving commission for that referral because we've selected them as a pay partner. Once again, essentially ensuring that he receives the maximum return on investment for this offer. So essentially, forwarding rules and failed traffic are kind of like a yin-yang system. With forwarding rules, we're having a predetermined destination for links or for clicks based on certain rules. We know that clicks from certain countries, languages, operating systems will go to a certain destination. On the other side, we have failed traffic, which is more like directing clicks who have been added to a blacklist. These clicks are blocked from certain destinations and would typically land on an error page or a blank page. So we make sure that they're redirected to the best destination for their situation, ensuring that you're not missing out on any of that valuable traffic. Finally, let's talk about Maier here. Mia's super smart, and she uses smart links to dynamically optimize her traffic by setting up her links with custom destinations for specific scenarios. What she does is she sets up custom destinations for every country. She knows that certain customers in certain countries have preferences for certain shipping destinations and languages, operating systems based on what phone they're using, and she sets this all up manually. She also uses our KPI-based configuration to automatically make sure that she's sending her customers to the highest the offer with the highest conversion rate. Also, ultimately, she's setting up her links in a way that make them set and forget so that they perform programmatically with our KPI-based configuration after she's already set them up. She also uses smart link reporting to see how each different offer is performing and where people are directed based on the factors that she set up. So let's check out her smart link. So right here, we can see her TV test smart link. And since Maier is a genius, she has set up 2 different offers with a KPI redirect mechanism. Now, she wanted to build an offer to start selling some more TVs. However, she's not entirely sure if the curved TVs or the flat screen TVs are going to perform better. Well, because she has her KPI redirect mechanism, she doesn't have to worry about that. And she can set each offer as a destination in much like an A/B test. Essentially, our KPI-based link configuration will send customers to each of these options, about 50% of the time in this case, since we have 2. After each offer has been clicked on 5,000 times, based off the metric that you've set, in Maia's case, a conversion rate, we'll see which has performed better. Our service will automatically send new customers to the option that performed better going forward, ensuring that Maia's getting the highest return on investment for this offer. And when she set this up, she doesn't have to come back and check on it since our program does the work for her. Now let's talk a little bit more about Everflow Pay, and I'll pass you off to Genny so she can talk about this.
Hi, everybody. Thank you, Isaac. That was super insightful, and I like the names that you gave the people in the template.
Thank you.
That was fun. We've been heavily promoting Everflow Pay, so I'm sure a lot of you already know about this. It is a payment platform that Everflow has created within Everflow itself. So instead of needing to go use a third-party platform to also pay your partners, you can now just do it within Everflow. It just got out of beta. What will happen is you'll have your own, your partners will have their own login for this payment portal. And if they work with other advertisers that use Everflow, they'll also be able to just use this one portal, which is pretty awesome. I don't know as much about the pricing as I'm sure you'd like to ask about, but what I can do is if you hit up in the chat here or go to support@everflow.io, we will send you to the Everflow Pay team, and they'll be able to send you a one-pager and answer all your questions. At the moment, this is for people who have US bank accounts. But we do have a third-party platform that we can recommend for people out of the country, out of the US. Yeah. And let's do the next slide. We are starting up our travel hardcore again for Everflow. You can meet me as well as sales and Pete and the marketplace team and the Everflow Pay team and Derek, who from customer success side in Vegas. So just send an email to support@everflow.io or go through the chat and we'll send you a link to set up a time with us. We're also going to be attending Affiliate World in Dubai. We'll have quite a few people there. And then smaller ones will be in the UK and Berlin and then Miami later this year. So I hope to see you at some point. Let us know if you plan on going to any conferences and we can see about meeting you there as well.